Hi guys, just came from the market and look what I found. It's the ant keeper's worst nightmare. Weaver ants, eggs and workers, and future queens over here. And there's another one there, pupae. I can't see any big queens. Yeah, so let's try this. Let's see what it tastes. Take out a little bit. Let me change the... It's alive! Oh my god. Let me change this to the... Oh my god. Lemony. And tastes like something's rotten or something. Not good. Sorry about the noise. People passing by. I don't know. They have some onion inside, and maybe because of that, it doesn't taste so good. I don't recommend. Well, now you know. Not good.